Hey, it's Dr. Heath Coleman with Secure Dentures and Implants in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I just want to take a quick moment to talk about all-in practice growth and what they have meant to our practice and meant to me. First of all, these guys are mavericks. They know a little bit of everything. They're masters at what they do. They understand the content side. They understand how to develop different channels of content and revenue. One thing that I noticed was that when we started going through the scripts, they already understand surgery, they already understand dentistry, and I didn't have to go through and edit scripts to make things make sense. I just didn't. It was also the perfect amount of technical information while not getting overwhelming, where it's going to be talking over a patient's head. I thought that was just the perfect balance to deliver information in a digestible way to our community. I highly recommend them. I think they're fantastic, and I know they've changed our practice forever.